Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into your Google account on a trusted device. Enter password and two-step if prompted. Once signed in, go straight to Security Settings and find Recovery Email to add or verify an address you control. Do this now because Recovery Email lets Google send reset codes and security alerts. It's faster than account recovery forms. Make sure the recovery address is active, not a shared or disposable alias, and you can access its inbox immediately for verification codes. Once you click Edit, add the recovery address and request the verification code. Google sends a short numeric code to that inbox. Enter the code promptly to confirm ownership, and Google will mark the address as verified. While you're here, review linked phone numbers and backup codes because they work together during lockouts. Updating one without the other weakens recovery. Make sure email forwarding or filters won't hide Google messages, and verify that your recovery mailbox has a secure password and two-step protection. After saving, test the flow by initiating a sign-in from another device and choosing the recovery email option to receive a code. This verifies the end-to-end process. If you ever get locked out, use the account recovery page and choose the recovery email code path. Google will prioritize that verified address. If codes don't arrive, pause and check the recovery inbox spam folder, filters, and forwarding rules. Make sure your provider isn't delaying mail, and retry after correcting inbox rules or unlocking the account at the provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.